Hi guys, Craig Rivers here from Rivers End Outdoors. So I'm down at my bush camp and the storms this year just destroyed it. And there's plenty of logs, so I'm going to harvest all the logs out and pile them up and then think about what I'm going to do for my next shelter or how I'm going to, improve upon my camp. So come along with me while I pick up some logs and we'll chat about it. So I've collected a lot of logs. I brought them down here and I had a shelter going on, but unfortunately the storm wiped it out. But this is a nice spot. I like this camp because I'm protected by the wind. And then plus I have a big plateau up here. And if I'm camping down here, I'm hanging out down here, I can crawl up there and look over the edge of that plateau and I can see the deer out on the flats. So it's a really good spot. But as you can see, I got some logs here. Of course, this is my firewood pile. I got logs over there. Pile of logs here. So I'm going to get all that cleaned up and then go from there. Okay, guys. So I originally wanted to build an Adirondack shelter, but it's hard to find straight logs around here. Everything I got is oak trees, walnut trees, sycamore trees. I mean, I've been collecting logs for quite a while, and they're just hard to find. Good straight ones, anyway. But this is definitely a fun spot. The reason I like this spot is because the creek's right over here. And I like the creek, and I like to hear the creek when it's running. I'm surprised you can't hear it now, but it's doing pretty good this year. It's getting better. We had more rain, so that's a good thing. Oh boy, that one's heavy. I have a really nice place up on the hill down at the far end, and the north end, which is down. North is down for us here because the water flows north instead of south. And it's a beautiful spot. It's got a lot of oaks in it. It's like a little oak forest, nice and flat and everything. The only problem with it is in the muddy season, when we can have campfires and everything when it's wet, you can't have campfires around here when it's dry. And it's hard to get to in the winter. So that's the only problem with that. I may make a summer camp up there just so we can hang out and, cook some food, have some barbecues or whatever. Got a bone over there you're chewing on? Ooh. Alright guys, I think that's good for now. Got everything cleaned up. Got a pretty good pile of logs over here. So I'm going to think about what I'm going to do next. If I'm going to build a new shelter, what I want to do about this area. Yeah, so little by little, get it all done. Alright guys, this is Craig Rivers from Rivers End Outdoors. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.